have a 2015 Dodge Dart RALLYE to show you. 25,300 miles. Comes with balance of factory warranty. If you look at it. First thing you'll notice, it does have a nice blacked out grille. The black lower fascia. Also has the blacked out trim around your fog lights with the brushed aluminum moldings. It has a nice offset high def headlights. Come around the side and you'll see the darked out 17-inch alloy wheels with chrome center caps. And you have Kuma rubber on there, around 3/4 tread on the tires. Also has the nice dark pinstripe that runs the length of the car. See, the interior is black on black with the split buckets. You can see the automatic transmission there. It does have a little bit of gray on the doors to break up some of the black. Also has some brushed aluminum around the door handles and around your gauges and vents. Take a look at the back seat. See, there's an ample amount of space back there for a smaller car. And the rear tires, like the front, around 3/4 tread. Bring you around the back of the car. You will see the badging, of course. Dart RALLYE does have the dual exhaust. Does have the backup camera. And I'll show you inside the trunk. Oh, we'll have to go up here and pop it. And you'll see there's also a pretty nice sized trunk in these cars. Lift that up, you'll see you do have your air compressor in there if you get a flat, and that pull-out styrofoam container here, storage space all around in there. Go ahead and crawl inside and give you a look at the interior. You will see on the driver's door you have your power locks, windows, and mirrors. And your interior lighting and your headlight controls. And the current mileage, as you can see there, is 25,353. And to the left of your steering wheel, you have your voice recognition. To the right, you have your cruise control settings. And we'll see once this lights up here on the dash. You have a nice big display screen here for your audio settings. And you can control your heating and everything on this same screen if you want. You will see from the buttons it does have satellite radio. Come down here, you'll have your heating and air conditioning, front and rear defroster controls, traction control, and your hazard switch. 12-volt power source, your automatic transmission selector switch. You have your cup holders, emergency brake, and you have a nice deep center console there. You can see it does have an auxiliary port, a 12-volt power source, and a USB port. I'll give you a look at the engine bay. It does have a multi-air 2.4-liter 4-cylinder. Gets you around, somewhere right around 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Lower 20s around town, depending on your driving habits. Also a big fat hard battery in there. Stout little engine in these cars. Have a nice aggressive little tone to them at the exhaust. Last thing I'm going to do on here is walk you around one more time to show you any blemishes or imperfections that this vehicle may have. Or a couple small scrapes on the bottom of the valence. There's a real nice color combination with the silver and the dark rims. And the pinstripe kind of matches the rims. is a small door ding on the door on the passenger front. Couple small little scrapes on the top of the front fender. Other than that, it's pretty clean little dirt. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe setting up a test drive, feel free to give us a call, 717-485-4224, or look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.